Hello and welcome back one more time to our channel Design by Riveras. My name is Luis and today one more time with me like a model, my gorgeous wife Dilandia. In today's video we will be creating this photoshoot ready makeup. Don't forget, you can see more content and details about this look in all our social media, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And you can visit us in our Spanish channel Los Rivera. If you are ready, let's begin the fun with this look. Photoshoot ready, you can create fun look like this to all the way to glam and fashion depend on the concept you are looking in your pictures. For that reason, make sure to have a fresh and ready skin and setup makeup with the right product to this look and stay with the consistent and fidelity you want. We are going to start with a primer setting spray to make sure your skin will receive every product with a smooth and long last. I am not explaining the eyebrow step because you can see with more details in one of our videos previews and the link at the top. To create a very natural contouring and don't have a strong or harsh line, start with contouring is a good technique. Can help you have a smooth and nice shadow or sculpt better the structure of your face frame. Be careful what contouring technique are you using because every face has a different shadows. For that reason, different techniques. To apply Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, I am using a staple brush to make sure every pore receives full coverage. In case you have too much texture, you even can use a small fluffy brush to work that area in specific. Once you're done applying all the areas, take a wet sponge with setting spray and dab all the areas you apply. Now that not only help you to set up a better this step, but will take out whatever excess of product you can have. For me, I only use this step for photoshoot with the sponge or with the powder pad. I'll take very light layer of powder to set the areas where I now know the model can develop oil or the lighting can bounce too strong. Please make sure don't use too much product to don't lose the hydration of the skin and around the face. For the type of shadow I am using, I like to use this Marc Jacobs eye primer and I set all the area from the inner corner to the outer corner and leave until the crease of the eyes. For the highlighting area and the blend, let's use this product pencil from L'Oreal because the tone of the highlight is a perfect for the look I love to use, especially for quick and fast eye looks. And now, let's play with this gorgeous and beautiful palette. I'll be combining the two principal tones in this palette, which are Lila Pearl and Fresh Water, because I want this look undertone have this effect all the time, even when I apply the second layer. How I will contour or shape the eye is the next way. You are going to use in the tone from Lluvia's palette Matte Magenta and Matte Electric Purple, all start blending to the crease area from the inside corner to the outside corner and round the motion. Once you done that, make sure go to connect all this work with the outer V to finish the blending action to the area of the outer side. Before applying any liner or lashes product, prime your lashes with some kind of primer so you can create a more natural look when you apply the fake lashes. If you see our previous video, you now know how I apply the concealer. For me, it's very light and more about bring the light to the inner corner of the eye and especially the inner corner of the face, and leave the cheekbone area. Take your time with this step and blend the best you can, because this is a very sensitive section and very sensitive skin, which can make your final look a succeed or disaster. Here you can apply the rule less is more. To bottom shadow, I'll be using the Matte Magenta, and for the inside corner, the Fresh Water tones. For blush, I am moving to the Makeup Revolution Blush palette. I'll be taking the three lower tones you can see in the image and mix together to blend with the blush. This is the main part you need for photoshoot ready makeup. To the rest, eyeliner, liquid liner and lips, you can see the next playlist at the top where we can have more tutorial with that step in details. And here is the final look. Thanks to be with us. We hope you enjoyed this video. Check our Latin channel. We have complete new content and a lot DIYs idea from our moving or remodelation and sharing with our new blogs from our everyday life. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. All our love, Luis and Dilandia. We are Designs by Riveras. Remember, knowledge is power. See you in the next.